What's up, YouTube? We are back with another recipe, baby. Don't touch me.
Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Boys and girls.
yeah, we are back with the best recipe ever. Guys, this is gonna be the only recipe you ever want to make. You want to tell them what we're making? Because I don't want to overtalk it. You know, you like to overtalk things, and I don't want to overtalk things. And you know,
All right, guys.
You know
Chefettes,
you
we are going to make the ultimate.
Come on.
Ultimate
Stop.
potato salad.
Do you understand what stop is? Huh?
But you still overtalking it. You're still talking. Stop talking, Chef Trini. Stop talking. Look, we gotta jump right into this. Jump right into it.
Well, you didn't even let me finish.
I'm sorry.
You know I'm the potato salad king. Everybody calls me the potato salad king.
Don't nobody
Right.
call you.
Don't nobody call me the potato salad king.
Nobody.
No, sorry. Guys, so we about to jump right into this recipe. So let's go. It's about to go down.
Recipe, you're going to need some salt, guys. You're only going to need that salt just to boil the potatoes and the eggs. You need black pepper, cayenne pepper, yellow mustard, some mayonnaise, some sweet green pepper. Of course, you're going to need your potatoes and your eggs. Of course, you need garlic. You need scallions or chives. You need sweet relish. You're going to need some red sweet peppers. You're going to need onions. And finally, peas and carrots, guys.
All right, chefs and chefettes. So the first thing you're gonna do is boil your potatoes and your eggs for about 15 minutes, or at least until you can poke a fork right through them.
Chefettes, we boiled our potato and our eggs for about 15 minutes. Now we're just going to chop them up. We don't mash them up. We're gonna chop them up, so because we like big chunks. All right.
Yeah, you're not making mashed potatoes.
No, not mashed potato. Y'all see them chunks there?
Leave them big.
Yep, just like that. And the eggs, you're gonna do the same thing. Just slice them straight down. Cause you want to have some flavor. Let me do an egg.
Yes, please show us an egg.
Look at that. So simple. That's it.
Chefettes. So my lovely assistant diced up my potatoes and my eggs. Great job, Chef Sam. You always.
I'm not your assistant.
Don't interrupt my scene.
I'm not your assistant. This is
so
a
like
team.
We're not trying to overtalk this, remember? So like I was saying, guys, Chef Sam diced our potatoes and our eggs. Now it's time to add the ingredients. Guys, you see all the ingredients here. You don't have to add everything. You want to add it to your liking. So we like onions, so I'm gonna be heavy on the onions. Right, Chef Sam?
That's right.
Now we got some fresh garlic. Guys, you know, you can use onion powder, garlic powder, but we going fresh because this is the best and ultimate potato salad. You want fresh ingredients, and we don't put no raisins in our potato salad either.
Or apples.
Or I heard somebody be putting green apples in.
Yeah.
I getting distracted.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We're gonna put our red peppers. Guys, put as much as you like. Put our green peppers. The color looks amazing.
Really good.
Sweet relish, we're putting all of that.
Oh.
We're putting all the sweet relish. Scallions, we're gonna put some of that. Save a little, guys, for garnish. Trust me, you're gonna see. Save a little. We don't need salt, but we do need a little black pepper in there. Especially if you like spice. If you don't like spice, guys, don't put the black pepper and do not put the cayenne pepper. All right? But we like a little spice. So we're gonna put the cayenne pepper. You're gonna need mustard. I know what y'all thinking. Chef Trini, why you didn't put the peas and carrots in there yet? Chef Trini don't like vegetables.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
You know onion peppers are vegetables, right? All right, good.
I don't like those kind of vegetables.
Yeah.
Guys, with the mayo, you don't want to put too much mayo because then it's going to make it soggy. So you kind of want to average by how much potatoes you got in there. That's how much mayo you're going to use. So I put about 2 tablespoons of mayo. I'm going to go 2.5.
So they should add as they go, right?
Yes, please.
All right.
Guys, you don't have to put the peas and carrots. You can omit that.
Chef Trini, add a couple of peas and carrot in there.
Why?
It's good for you.
You know what they say?
So why-
Everything that's good for you, not good for you.
Nobody says that.
Damn it.
Nobody.
All right, go put a little.
I knew that.
All right. We put our peas and carrots in.
What?
All right, okay. We're talking it. All right, guys. Don't put too much. That's it. Guys, and now we're going to mix this. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. So we're going to mix this, and I'm going to show you the finished product.
The ultimate best potato salad is finito.
What the hell is finito?
Finished.
Finished.
You were just speaking Spanish. Anyways.
No habla español.
Oh my God. All right. All there is left to do is to garnish this bad boy.
Yeah, that's why we told you to save some of them scallions.
Look at this. Look how good that looks. It's so pretty.
Looks amazing.
It's so pretty. It has to look amazing. It's the ultimate best potato salad ever.
It smells amazing. It looks amazing.
Make this potato salad.
Make it!
That's it, guys.
Guys, we hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and
Subscribe and share this video to your friends and your family.
And we are out.